rest?
Yeah.
Where? No way, it's too scary. It's too scary. Okay, I just got home. I am literally so wiped out between yesterday and today. Like, it's been so busy and I'm swollen. I've been standing non-stop for like basically 48 hours. So I'm gonna take another early shower right now. And I will, maybe when I get out of the shower, I will show you guys. My uncle and aunt brought, my uncle was like, Danielle, like, go inside and look on the mantle. I got something for you, something sitting there for you. And I'm like, I was like, I wonder what it could be. And when I saw, I got so happy because like, it's so nice and thoughtful. And so I will show you guys that when I get out of the shower. And I think like my eyelashes are falling off, like maybe not. I'm wiped out, but I'm gonna go get in the shower now and I don't know, eat, because I have only eaten a little bit today. I think I had a half a bagel today and that's it. I've been so into bagels recently. That's random. But I think I had only tried a bagel once ever before, and now I am like obsessed with them. So I'm gonna like eat because I've only had a half a bagel today and I'm so hungry, and it's like, I don't even know, 5 something maybe. So yes, okay, anyways, see ya after my shower. Bye. He brought me back 3 everything but the bagel seasoning because he knows how much I love it, and I'm very stocked up now because they brought me back some last time, and so now I have 3 more and I'm so excited.